Welcome to Study Loop.
Well, if that were the case, that an infinite number of photons would be needed to make up even the tiniest amount of radiant energy. So our formula of energy is equal to hf would be equal to zero, right? Considering that the photons are continuous, right? Now, similarly, light had no particle properties and matter had no wave properties. So, the de Broglie wavelength that would be h by p, that is the Planck's constant upon momentum, the matter would not behave as wave, making this lambda also equal to zero. So from these two, you can see that if there was no quantum effect at all, these two imply that the Planck's constant equals to zero. So this would be the value of Planck's constant.